You know that moment when you just need to fix one tiny thing in a PDF, and the software either won't let you edit it or hits you with a big paywall and watermarks everywhere. Well, today, we're taking a look at Systweak PDF Editor, a software that promises to be a full Acrobat-style toolkit without the sell your soul subscription. So let's get to it. Systweak PDF Editor is a software for Windows and Mac that aims to be an all-in-one PDF toolbox. It allows you to edit PDFs directly, where you can change text, fonts, formatting, and images easily. You can convert PDFs to and from Word, Excel, PowerPoint, scanned images, and other formats. You can easily merge, split, and rearrange pages with minimal headaches. It also has features that allow you to protect PDFs with passwords, set permissions, and sign with e-signatures. Systweak runs on Windows and Mac OS, but there are also companion Android and iOS apps if you like editing or viewing PDFs on your mobile device. There's a 7-day free trial available. Then it requires a paid license, which is roughly around $50 per year. When you open Systweak PDF Editor, you're not thrown into a wall of tiny icons. The home screen gives you big, obvious tiles for the main jobs: open PDF, edit PDF, convert PDF, merge PDF, and more. Below that, you get a list of recent documents, which is great if you're jumping between the same few files. Along the top, it uses a tabbed ribbon-style interface. Each document will open in its own tab. And on the left, you can show page thumbnails, bookmarks, comments, and document info. If you've used any modern Office-style app, you'll be comfortable here. Overall, I'd say the user interface is clean and beginner-friendly. You don't need to dig through submenus to do basic things. So, what can Systweak actually do? Well, once you're in edit mode, you can click on text blocks and directly edit text. You can change fonts, sizes, colors, and even add new text boxes. It's not just annotations. This is real content editing. For simple fixes, like correcting typos in contracts or updating dates on a form, it works well. To mark up or highlight something, click the comment section and then the highlight button. You can select your desired highlight color and then select the text to highlight. Password protecting a file is a breeze. Click the Secure tab, then on Protect. Enter a password and then click Protect PDF. Now every time you open this file, you'll need the password to do so. To give you a feel for how it works in practice, let's walk through a simple real-world scenario. You receive a client document as a PDF. You need to fix a typo, add your company's watermark, then compress it and send it back. All right, let's fix the typo. Go to the Edit tab. Click Edit Content, and then click on the text with the typo and correct it directly. Now let's add our watermark. Click Watermark and then Add Watermark. Here you can add your logo or text watermark, adjust the opacity, and click Add. All right, lastly, let's compress this document. Go to the Tools tab and click Compress. Choose a compression level that keeps it readable but smaller. Save a new copy, and it's ready to send off. All of that can be done without leaving the app and without converting back and forth between formats. So, is Systweak worth a look? I'd say that for everyday users that need to quickly edit, convert document formats, and add or rearrange pages, this is absolutely worth it. It's a solid, well-rounded choice, especially if you want something easier and cheaper than Acrobat, but more powerful than a basic free reader. My suggestion would be to download the 7-day trial, throw your real-world documents at it, contracts, invoices, scanned PDFs, and see if it fits your workflow. If you find yourself reaching for it every day, the yearly price starts to make sense pretty quickly. I hope you found this quick review of Systweak PDF Editor helpful. If so, please click that like button and consider subscribing to the channel. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye, everybody.